Hey everyone, this is just a short video showing blade catches. There's two that I use. This one's the BladeCage, aluminum body with a front acrylic case, and then to take out, to dump, you just have a Phillips head screw. You unscrew, slide this down, dump it into a catch or wherever. And then there's the Yellotools bladebreaker mini. Same thing, it's just a lot smaller, obviously more compact. You can pop that out and then dump your blades out and keep going. Why I like using these, honestly, is to me it's a lot cleaner. What some shops will do, you'll see guys, they'll go and they'll make a trim, and they'll just do that, and it makes a mess. To me, it becomes a safety hazard for the installer or other installers, or just clientele or customers that may be walking through your shop. Versus all you do is on something like this, click, and easy. You can set it anywhere. This one has a magnet, so you could set it on a piece of metal, bench or whatnot you have nearby. This one, the Yellotools BladeBreaker mini, a little bit smaller, and just showing, it's something small, compact. These are not expensive. I think this one goes for $4.99 or $5.99, whereas this one, I think this is $40 or $45, but a little more. It's a lot bigger, and this can hold quite a few blades. You don't have to dump it as much. This one you'll have to dump a little bit more often, but I always like having any option that's improves your efficiency and not having to worry about sweeping up blades at the end of the day when it's just you have them contained right here. Well, hopefully you like the video. Just a short thing to show.